Hey, what's up guys? Josh from Trail Built back with you with another vehicle build spotlight. This time we're going to be showing you guys Jeremiah's 2005 Lexus GX470. And guys, if you haven't already uploaded your rig to our gallery, make sure and do so. Just head on over to trailbuiltoffroad.com, hit that gallery button and follow the prompts from there. All right, let's get started. Ready? Let's go. All right guys, before we get started on Jeremiah's Lexus, remember that we have our Icon Vehicle Dynamics giveaway going on right now up until July 24th. Best way to get entered is by picking up one of these awesome Trail Built Icon giveaway t-shirts on our website. It's trailbuiltoffroad.com/giveaway. All right, let's get started. All right guys, so Jeremiah had picked this up about 6-8 months ago, bone stock. There was nothing done to it. So what he did right off the bat is he went ahead and put some 2-inch lift EMU, their old man EMU coil springs in here, so that way he can fit these 285 70-17s, these Goodyear Wrangler Duratracs on the Method. Now these Methods you can find exclusively on trailbuiltoffroad.com. These are the 305 NVs in a 17-inch by 8.5 simulated beadlock. So also with the coil springs, he matched them with a Bilstein 5100 shock in all 4 corners as well. And then for the bumper, he did custom fabricate this homemade bumper on here to fit this 13,000-pound winch on here with synthetic rope, and Jeremiah definitely uses the heck out of this thing. It's got a 4.7 liter V8 and he is not afraid to use it. Check out these shots. All right guys, well that has been another vehicle rig spotlight on Jeremiah's 2005 Lexus GX470. We hope you enjoyed that. Also, don't forget to add your rig to the gallery by heading over to our website, trailbuiltoffroad.com. And guys, make sure and smash that subscribe button, thumbs up to like the video, and as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from Trail Built, and we'll see you guys out in the trails.